how to create a week worth of content in 30 minutes or less. That's the title of today's episode, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step framework on how to do that in 3 steps. So take notes because it's going to be juicy, and I written them down on the PDF. That's incredible. Number 1, make a long video of 20 to 30 minutes. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm doing a long video, okay? And why do I prefer video? You can do a podcast, just audio only, or you can do an article, but I find that videos are really easier to cut into pieces and to cut into pieces that are going to be in their turn a new piece of content. So do a video, long video of 20 to 30 minutes. You can go further, but if you want to do it the quickest way possible, that's how. Number 2, decompose that video into multiple sections or subjects that you will talk about. That's exactly what I'm doing, and that's what I said in the beginning of the live. I said that in the beginning of the live. Take notes of what I'm saying, but also take notes on the structure of the thing I'm doing, because there is a purpose behind all that. There is a purpose. So what I'm doing is taking that live that I'm doing, those 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm cutting them into different pieces, different sections. And I know that each sections in their own are pieces of content. For example, right now I'm doing a section which is a how to do X. I'm going to be able to take that into a podcast episode. I'm going to be able to take that into a YouTube video by its own, like a 5-minute video. And then maybe I take a point or two and shorten it a bit and put it on Instagram as well, on Facebook as well. Why not? Maybe I make it an article. Hey, 3 steps to make sure you curate content or less. You see, like in 10 seconds, I found 10 content ideas with 1 sections of my big video. You see how big it can get? So remember, step 1, create a long video. Step number 2, decompose that video into multiple sections that will be pieces of content. After that, step number 3 is to take all the little parts and use them as individual pieces of content. And you can go as deep as you want, as deep as you want. Of course, the deeper you go, the more creative you have to be, and the more tweaks you have to make, little changes, the more twists you gotta make towards your content to make it adapted for the platform you want to put it on. But for example, let's say, hey, big video. From that big video, I've got an audio, I've got a video, and I've got how do you say that? An article. So I've got 3 pieces of content only with the big video. After that, in my big video, I can decompose that in, let's say, 5 other medium-sized videos that I can post on YouTube. Okay. We are talking now. Those videos, maybe you can post, let's say, maybe 3 of those 5 videos. Because now you got to choose, you got to pick, because you have so much content, you have so much abundance of content, you got to choose, hey, which one am I posting on which platform? So you go and you take, let's say, 3 out of 5 of those videos, you take simply the audio without the video, you put them on the podcast. Okay, 3 podcasts done. That's great. That's cool. Now, maybe in 3 of those videos, okay, 3 of the 5 little videos I got, I can take, you know, they are cut into little sections, little sections. I can take each of those little tips, sections, individual bits I'm giving, and make it an Instagram post. With that, you can make like a 10 Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn posts. And maybe you can take those same tips and make them as a tweet. Then you can make approximately, I don't know, 20 tweets, something like that. And as you can see, we went over, and I didn't even dive so deep into that. But with that, we just thought about, with 1 video, remember, that's only 1 big video. We thought about, hey, like what, 40 pieces of content maybe with 1 video. Now that's cool.